So whānau, this is our map. And these are all the places, all the wahi. And I've come up with some Māori names for our wahi, for our places on the map. So we've got Breakwater Bay, which is up here on the top left. The translation for that is Te Koko Waifati. So Breakwater Bay is Te Koko Waifati. Te Koko is the bay. Waifati is to break. Whati is to break and Wai is water. So Breakwater, Te Koko Waifati. The citadel below that is Te Pā Tū Wata Wata. So it's just like a castle or fortified place. Te Pā, our pās. That's where all our people used to gather when it was time for war or time to lock down the village. Gathered in their pā. So the citadel is sort of the same thing. Te Pā Tū Wata Wata. And Anvil Square, below that is Te Tapa Whā, which is square, and Kurutangi is sort of like heavy iron material, a heavy weight, Kurutangi. So Anvil Square we have Te Tapa Whā, Kurutangi, and Shattered Labs down there on the left is Ngā Pou, Pakaru. So Ngā Pou is our slabs, or slab of concrete, or some type of slab of material, and Pakaru is that's what our translation for shattered. So Pakaru, Ngā Pou Pakaru. Frenzy Fields right at the bottom. Te Pātiki is a field, and Hōkeke, it's like it's frenzy really, stirring up a frenzy. Us Māoris, when we all get together, and when it's on. Te Pātiki Hōkeke. That's our Frenzy Fields. And then Faulty Splits, which is over here on the right of Frenzy Fields. Te Ngātata is the split. And Kikino is faulty or no good or So Te Ngātata Kikino. And above that to the right, Slappy Shores. Shore is Paki or foreshore. Ngā Paki Takutai is Slappy Shores. And then we've got the Brutal Bastion. I just went with Brutal. But yeah, I just went with Brutal because Tunu Huru Huru is that's our Māori word for being brutal or being ruckus. Tunu Huru Huru. Lonely Labs. Up here on the top right is Ngā Taiwhanga Moke Moke. So Ngā Taiwhanga is sort of like a laboratory, scientist laboratory per se. That's what I think this is. It's all those research labs over there. Ngā Taiwhanga. And then Moke Moke is lonely. So Ngā Taiwhanga Moke Moke. So I'm going to chuck these up on my page, on my pages, and I will probably put this little video up, put a video clip together so everybody can use them if they want to. That's what it's about for me, just to research, learn, share, and use them within my stream. So Breakwater, top left, Te Koko Waifati, the Citadel, down here, Te Pā Tū Wata Wata, Anvil Square, Te Tapa Whā Kurutangi, Shattered Slabs, Ngā Pou Pakaru, Frenzy Fields, Te Pātiki Hōkeke, Faulty Splits, Te Ngātata Kikino, Faulty Splits, Slappy Shores, Ngā Paki Takutai, Brutal Bastion, Tunu Huru Huru, the Brutal, Lonely Labs, Ngā Taiwhanga Moke Moke. So there you have it, whānau.